ask me why I look so sad on this bright summer's day? Why the tears are in my eyes, I seem so far away. Sit yourself beside me, love, put your hand in mine. I'll tell you of someone I love long, long before your time. I'm sitting here and thinking of those days so long ago. I was just a child like you, and a girl I used to know. The fields of green we laughed and played and sang our merry lines. Oh, we were young and happy then, long, long before your time. Childhood years, our love did bloom until our hearts were one. Promised each eternal love a mile outside the town. Settled in this little house, I was proud to call her mine. Oh, summer longer than long, long before your time. The lovely year was all we had until the sickness came. Stole the roses from her cheeks, my tears they fell like rain. 9 long months she carried you, but in the end she died. She chose to go so you might live long, long before your time. So you ask me why I look so sad on this bright summer's day. Why the tears are in my eyes, I seem so far away. It's just you seem a lot like her, your eyes look into mine. You smile so much the way she did long, long before your time. Yes, you smile so much